guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a summer makeup look that's fun and bright. This makeup will look good on both fair and morena girls like me. So, let's get started! Let's start by concealing our eyes. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And we're gonna set it with our powder. For the eyeshadow, I'm using my Morphe 35H palette, and I'm taking this light peach color and applying it to my crease. When applying, do a circular motion with your brush. Next, I'm taking this coral shade and applying it to the outer corner of my eyes. To add more dimension, I'm taking this shimmer dark pink and applying it using my fingertips. When applying shimmer eyeshadows, it's really best to use your fingers. I'm taking this gold shimmer eyeshadow and applying it to the inner and middle part of my lid. I wanted to intensify the colors, so I'm using this liquid eyeshadow from BTLA. I'm going to line my eyes, and I'm taking this chocolate brown shade and applying it to my lash line. Make it as thin as possible. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm gonna apply mascara and put on my falsies off camera. Moving on to my face, I'm applying primer and foundation. I'm using the same concealer that we used for our eyes. I'm setting my foundation and concealer using Maybelline Fit Me powder. Next, we're gonna bake our under eye. I'm using Ban Eye Luxury Powder. For brows, I'm using Sunnies Face Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. I really love this brow gel from House of Doll Manila. It makes it so easy to do bushy eyebrows. Next, I'm gonna apply the first shade that we used to my lower lash line. Using the same liquid eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply that to the inner corner of my eyes. For contour, I'm using this contour palette from Kat Von D. Next is blush. Since I don't have a peach colored blush, I'm just using this shade from my Morphe palette. Taking my Anastasia Glow Kit palette, I am applying this shade Gumdrop on my cheeks. I like this highlighter because it has a pink tone to it, and I think that colorful highlighters are very in this summer season. For lips, I'm using Sunnies Face Fluffmatte lipstick in the shade Milkshake. I'm just dabbing the lipstick all over my lips because I don't want to put too much. And we're done! I hope you guys like my tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!